My name's Steve Murray. I'm the consultancy manager for Keytime Objective Limited. We've been doing accountancy software since 1997, and we have over 1,700 practices doing sort of integrated accountancy and taxation packages, practice management software, time and fees, payroll, and sort of bookkeeping systems as well. And since we've integrated into the Iris company, we're now going to be linking in with the cash flow system from a bookkeeping perspective. And we tend to sort of deal with sort of practice sizes of about 1 to about 15 staff, typical size practices. I think one of the major key selling points of Keytime is integration and time savings, because accountants don't want to waste time using, say, a set of using an accounts production piece of software that doesn't talk to a taxation piece of software. So they want to just get a set of accounts out very quickly, and then they want to do the relevant tax return associated to the accounts. So integration is absolutely key and paramount. But also what we charge, we're we're sort of about in the middle really. So we're not expensive, we're not the cheapest, but that's because we integrate and our software is easy to use. But the definite biggest thing is integration and price compared to a lot of our competitors. Typically, an average accountant might be, say, 5-staff practice, maybe 500 clients, producing maybe 100, 200 sets of accounts and maybe 500 personal tax returns. I would say that would be a very typical Keytime client. We actually have about 80% of people who buy our software don't even buy training, because it's very user-friendly, very simple to use. If you speak to any of our clients, and I always say to this, we've got hundreds of reference sites, and the reason behind that is because clients love our support team and they love the way we treat them. We're not reactive. We always ring clients up and say, how are you getting on, rather than waiting for somebody to sort of come to us. We always like to know how clients are going on. It's software called Practice Management, and Practice Management is a central database. So all of our clients would use the practice management system to create any business in here. They would then come into here and they would actually then tell other Keytime packages that we'd like this, say, limited company into accounts production, we'd like this limited company as a payroll client, we'd like this limited company into corporation tax. And then once we've created the business, we'd then go in and create the individuals. And then when we're in the director's account, we'd then potentially say, right, we want this director as a personal tax client as well. And also, once all that client's created, we would then use these little buttons up here to access all of the other Keytime packages. So if I wanted to do a set of accounts, I'd hit the accounts production button. That would then take me into accounts production to do whatever type of accounts I need to work on, whether it be a limited company accounts or sole traders. And if I wanted to do someone's personal tax return, I'd click into personal tax. And that will then take you into the personal tax system. And it's the same for every single button in there. If I wanted to do payroll, I'd go in there and do the payroll. If I go into accounts production, so then once the accounts are done, we'd export the stuff into the relevant tax, whether it be sole trader into personal tax or accounts production into the corporation tax. Support is fantastic. We get back to queries very, very quickly. Improvements as well. Accountants will suggest improvements to the software, and we do listen to that, and we try and adhere to that and put that into the products to improve them all the time. So we encourage client feedback to improve our products, because at the end of the day, they're the accountants. They will know what they want in the software, and if there's a feature not in there, we listen to that and put it in. A good example is, at the moment, we're working on a charity format for our accounts production software. We're hoping to get that into the software by about June. And that's just accountants saying, please put it in, please put it in. So, we listen to that, and that's now going to go into the June release of our accounts production software. It's important to come to events like this for two main reasons. The main reason, of course, is to meet existing clients who they do like to come to talk to us, say, what's going on at Keytime, what's the future of the products. Especially with the Irish takeover as well, we're getting a lot of interest in what's happening with the Keytime packages, and we're just turning around to existing clients and saying, look, we are autonomous, so it's not like Irish are going to try and move you off onto the particular packages. They're leaving us to it. So the Keytime, so there's a lot of interest in existing clients, but also, of course, other accountants want to know about Keytime as well. They will have heard of us and come over and maybe ask us to present the software to them. So it's an opportunity to show off software to non-Keytime clients as well.